Hi everyone, Aaron Rennert, Vice President of Worldwide Sales for Sisel International, and I'm sitting here with one of the newest executives to join the Sisel team, Dr. Becky Maes, as our new medical director. Welcome to Sisel, Dr. Becky.
Thank you. Very happy to be here.
Yeah, we're really excited. You know, over the last number of years, the Mowers have put out some phenomenal products, very scientific, a lot of technology, a lot of research that goes into them. And as a result, it was good for us to really create that position of medical director so that we could have somebody else verify and validate all these wonderful products and ingredients and what they do and how they work and all that good stuff. You've got a great diverse background, so maybe you can just share with everybody your background and give them a little bit of background on who you are and then what you're going to do with Sisel.
Thank you. It's an honor to be here and to be part of this company. Actually, I'm a board certified medical doctor, board certified in gastroenterology, which means I took care of people's esophagus, their stomach, small intestine, their colon, their pancreas, liver, gallbladder. And I did that for 13 years in Tucson, Arizona. And it was about, 15 years ago that I was introduced to the network marketing industry and nutrition. And I was so happy that I was, because in medicine, I did a lot of good. I did a lot of colonoscopies, upper endoscopies. But what I found is when I treated people for their inflammatory conditions, whatever the organ was involved, and giving them medications and more medications and more medications, that I wasn't really helping them very much at all. So I witnessed a lot of adverse drug reactions, a lot of frustration on their part. There was a lot of frustration on my part. So when I was introduced to the industry, it was through a nutrition company. And I started to really gravitate toward, learning everything about nutrition and good supplementation and helping the body re-nourish and rejuvenate and replenish the right way, without the toxins, without the drugs. And when I started to bring that into my practice, I changed so many lives on a grand scale. And it really made me recognize that I was tired of the pharmacy industry and the pharmacology and the pharmaceuticals, and I was tired of rising overhead and lower reimbursements and rising malpractice premiums and trading time for money. So network marketing and nutrition just fit for me. And so I've been retired for 10 years, and I've been in the industry as a distributor, and I've been on the corporate side, and I'm excited to be on the corporate side here as the medical director of Sisel, because this is a company that's so internationally recognized and nationally recognized because they have a global vision, they have a mission, they have a purpose, they have superior products that are toxin-free. They have scientific research and data that back all the products. So it really fits with who I am as a physician. And, being a GI doctor in active practice, that was just a stepping stone to where I am now. And thank you for the honor and the blessing to be here.
Well, one last question. Of course, when we started talking about you coming on board, and I said, we've got so many products to look at. We've really got over 200 products in catalog, and that can be a little distracting for a lot of people. So let's narrow it down to the real, our strong core products that everybody buys on a monthly basis and uses and loves. So you and I started putting together a calendar. Tell us a little bit about that initiative so that the people at home can understand what it is that we're doing and how we're doing it and what you're going to be doing each Tuesday night at 7:00 p.m. Mountain Time to get this thing kicked off with what we're calling Dr. Becky's Clinic.
Yeah, Dr. Becky's Clinic is going to be a lot of fun. A lot of education. I'm going to share a lot of knowledge about products and nutrients and how they work in the internal body. We're going to start next Tuesday with Telomere Support Extreme, so TSX, and I'm going to teach you all about telomeres and anti-aging and why this product truly embraces the fountain of youth. And we're going to talk about astragalus and bacopa and some of the nutrients that really make this product special. And then following that, there'll be a 3-part series. It'll be the Triangle of Life, and I'm going to really dive deep into the nutritional aspects of Eternity, the Fucoidan, and Spectramax. So that'll be really great because there's a lot of great nutrients within all of those products. So we're going to get kind of nitty gritty on what this is doing to support your cellular health, better cellular communication, and also better vital organ, functionality. So that will be the first 4 weeks, and then we'll go right into weight release. We'll have the Sizzling Shake. We'll talk about the Pops, the Accelerator, a few of the other products that are part of the weight release program, and there's some really good nutrients within that program. We're going to talk about detoxification and why toxins and fats sit together in the body, and why it's so important that when you detoxify and you cleanse the body, that the fat leaves. It doesn't have any value. So we'll get into that, and then we'll finish up with brain vitality, and then we'll pick another 6 nutritional products after that. So we'll go every Tuesday, 7 p.m. Mountain Time, and probably go for about 30 minutes each call.